Hey guys, so we got a Whole Foods Prime order, which Thea is already opening up and already found the vegan cheese. But it is a snowstorm right now, and I placed this order yesterday, hoping it would come yesterday before the storm. But here, let me help you.
Wow.
I'll give you a slice, and then can you give a slice to your sissy?
Mm-hmm.
So this is the Veal Life mature cheddar slices. One for Pippi too, okay? Okay. And it's one of our favorites. I think this was in my last video. Mature cheddar slices. But yeah, I ordered yesterday hoping I could get my order to come in yesterday. And all the slots were filled up. So we had availability today. Okay, what else is in here?
Yes.
We got organic celery.
Wow.
I don't like that it's in a bag, but whatever. That's fine. That is chuck roast for beef sandwiches. Look, for beef sandwiches.
Mama, it's time to open it.
No. What's this?
What is that?
What is it?
That's a sticky top.
What is it?
It's sticky.
It's bacon.
Bacon.
Sticker on the back. Don't water. What does it say? Don't water down the taste. Dry rubbed difference.
Mama, it's time to
But we
open
got this
these
organic
ones.
bacon.
Open these ones.
Okay, bring it up. Let's bring it over here. This one's heavier.
It's time to open this.
It came in 3 bags. I tipped $5 because they're, they're in the snow. My order was like $40.
Help it.
You can't see it, but she's opening it piece by piece. I'll move the Nini out of the way. Good job. The whole sticker. All right, what's in this one? Potatoes, because I'm going to make potato soup again. So I got a big bag of potatoes. We got a big bag of sweet potatoes. Which is not sweet.
Open this one.
Because we like having sweet potatoes for breakfast. Here, it's already open. It's already open. It's already open. Here. Now what's in here?
Huh?
What's that?
What's a pea?
We got these Hillary's apple maple veggie
Can you
breakfast
open this?
sausages, free from common allergens.
It's a bag.
Awesome. It's a bag. This is annoying.
Time to open it. Uh-oh.
What's that?
That's the
I
ice cream
wonder if we
cone.
could reuse
This
this.
is ice cream.
Like, is this what is this? I'll have to find out. Because if that keeps things cold, I'm in. Hey! Hey! Stop.
It's their ice cream.
It is ice
Oh,
cream.
a spoon. What's a spoon, Mom? We get this.
I always have to double check all the ingredients because stuff isn't always
Uh-oh, that's not.
in your face about things, Especially with.
I found a spoon, Mom.
You want to try it? You want to try it?
Yes.
We're apparently going to try ice cream right now. This is Nadamu's Lotta Mint Chip. I haven't tried this one yet, but I'm very excited.
I'm excited to get.
You're really excited?
Oh, that's their ice cream. That's why it.
First taste, how is it?
Mm-hmm.
Is it yummy?
You have to taste it.
You want me to
Like
taste
that.
it?
And I gotta taste it.
Oh my god. It's
It's big.
so good.
I want to try it.
It's really good. Oh my gosh. That's so good. Highly suggest.
I want to see this.
That's what it looks like.
Rip.
I'm thinking about doing a video about all of my favorite like alternative products because this is really, really freaking good. And so is that vegan cheese, the slices. Those are really good too.
I have all the beer
I know.
foods.
So we got breakfast sausage because Miss Rachel
Oh,
told us
ice
about it.
cream.
One more bite. One more bite. You can have some later, okay? So good.
Mom.
You can have more later, okay? So, to go over our order, we got sausage, recommended by my friend Rachel. We got potatoes and bacon for potato soup.
Skip paper more.
No. She has her slice. We have Veal Life mature cheddar slices. Highly suggest. We have a bunch of sweet potatoes because we like having sweet potatoes for breakfast in a multitude of different ways. Mashed, sliced, fried. We just love sweet potatoes. We love a good healthy fat in the morning. Celery because we're going to have, I'm going to make chicken noodle soup at some point. Which reminds me I need to, stop! Which reminds me I need to place an order with the farm tonight. But we're going to do chicken soup at some point this next week. And then beef sandwiches. And I got beef broth at Meijer. Which if you're looking for a good, pretty allergen safe beef broth, Pacific. I guess Pacific is really good with that stuff. I didn't know that until someone talked about it in my group. But thanks Prime for helping us out during the snow, and specifically Drew, who dropped off our food. I appreciate it. All right, see you next time.